Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a GMC Acadia liftgate. First, let's start with some basic troubleshooting. Begin by checking the fuse box for any blown fuses related to the liftgate's power. A simple fuse replacement can often resolve power issues. Next, carefully inspect the wiring harness for any visible damage or frayed wires, especially where it flexes. Finally, test the interior and exterior liftgate buttons to confirm they are making proper contact. Moving on, if your liftgate isn't opening or closing smoothly, the power struts might be the culprit. Test them to see if they provide adequate assistance. Worn struts often need replacement. Also, a sticky latch can prevent proper operation. Try lubricating the latch mechanism with a suitable spray to ensure it moves freely. Don't forget to check the latch sensor for any dirt or debris that could be obstructing its function, causing it to misread. Now let's delve into the electrical system. The liftgate control module, or LCM, can sometimes develop faults. While this often requires professional diagnosis, you can visually inspect its connections. Using an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to check for diagnostic trouble codes can pinpoint specific electrical issues. Always ensure all electrical connections, especially those leading to the liftgate motor and sensors, are clean, tight, and free from corrosion to maintain proper communication. For persistent or complex issues, it's often best to seek professional assistance from a certified mechanic. They have specialized tools and expertise to diagnose intricate electrical or mechanical problems accurately. Remember, regular maintenance, like keeping components clean and lubricated, can significantly extend your liftgate's lifespan and prevent future headaches. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.